Hi everybody, this is Call Me Bader. This is a guide on how to set up a cold wallet, and I'm going to specifically be setting up Vsync. And what you want to do is you want to come here. This is their forum, and this is how you do everything. So they recently just swapped out their XVS, an old coin, to their new coin VSX. And you have until September 25th to do so. And also, so in doing this Masternode, what you want to make sure is you want to have the wallet, the most up-to-date wallet, as well as 250,000 VSX and a server. So this video will specifically be for a Windows server, and what I'll do is I'll post this link below for the ones who have not heard about Vsync. It's pretty cool, and here are all the rewards and stuff. And here's proof of work, proof of stake, and add the coin to an exchange, and then here we go, Masternode. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to use this in a bit. So for now, why don't we just open up Vsync? I already have my wallet opened up right here, and we want to make sure what we want to do is we want to send like about 251,000 VSX over to your Windows computer, and then what you're going to do next is send yourself the 250,000. It needs to be exactly 250,000 VSX. So what you want to do is first go to Tools, Debug Console, and then you want to do Get Account Address. And then you can, whatever you want to label it, you can put down, let's say we want to call it Master N2. Well, this will be my second Masternode, so doesn't matter. So we'll press OK. And here's the address. So what we want to do is copy this. And then also, you want to also have this in hand. So the collateral address will be what we just put, and that will be it right there. And then you want to get the IP address, label master N2, Priv Key, Masternode configure line. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and save this. We'll save that in a bit. We'll minus, get out, we'll click send. So I currently have 586,000. So what I want to do is send myself 250. I already did that. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So you can go to pay here, paste what we just put. You see master N2. And you want to put exactly 250,000, no more and no less. And then what you want to do is click send right here. And then hold on. Okay, and then here it has the fee, and then actually adds the fee on there, so you don't have to worry about it being less than 250 or more than 250. And then just click yes. So because I already did that, I'm not gonna press yes, just to save on the fee. And then next, what you want to do is select the VPS you want. So there are many VPSs out there. I've only used Firmac and as well as Volter. So with Firmac, I actually kind of like Firmac more. I'm not discriminating. If you want to go Volter, go for it. But Firmac, they're actually cheaper. And see, I have my Linux right here, and this is the one I just recently got, the Windows. So what you want to do is you want to go to Services, Deploy Service, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you have 2 GB of RAM. Okay, this is really important. Make sure you have that. So it's $10 a month here, and let's see what it is on servers. Oh, I'm already here, so I want to deploy one. Just pick a place where you want to set up your VPS. So I believe it's Chicago and New York. They have DDoS protection. So and you want to go down to here, select version. We can go with 2012 or 2016. It doesn't matter. They're $16 a month. Okay, so it's actually $10 a month here for the same thing. So that works out perfectly. But the thing is, with the DDoS protection, you have to actually pay for that. And I do not know any coupon code to save money on this. But let me tell you, but the great thing about Volter is that if you don't know if you want a server for like a whole year, you can actually pay for it month by month. But you can do that with Vermec as well. But like if you don't want a server within like 5 minutes, you don't like it, you can actually destroy it and they will not charge you any kind of fee. So you wanna, and then there is Vermac. So the lease, the minimum that you have to rent the server for is 1 month, or you can, let's go order now. Or you can do quarterly, or annually, monthly, quarterly, or annually. So what I usually do is I do annually, just feel like 2 months free. That's $20 off. So, and then what you want to do is you want to pick Buffalo, New York, if they still have that location. See, some places are sold out or back ordered. So Buffalo, New York, you get free DDoS protection, and then Windows. So they only have 2012, whereas Volter has 2016. And then also 35 gig compared to 40. I think 35 is enough, and then you can add an extra IP address if you want more than one masternode on the same server. So or like if you want 3 masternode on the same server, just go ahead and put down 2 more, because you already have 1 and then 2 more additional, right? So what I did was the one I have right now, actually I have 1 extra IP, and what I do, add to cart. Sometimes you have to press it twice, sometimes you don't. So like this time I have to press it twice. And then what you want to do is you can do checkout now, and they have promotional code, and I believe this one is save 10, and you actually get 10% off, $11. So it's actually $99 for a year. That's a pretty good deal. And then just click checkout and then pay for everything. So, but I already have a server. I already have this, so I'm gonna just go to my server, my services, and then I want to go to this one. See, $99 for first payment, and then recurring is 111. So 110, sorry. So just be mindful of that when you purchase it. Okay, so I picked Vermac to do this since I already have it set up. So, and I already have the wallet downloaded as well. So here's my wallet. It's already downloaded. So what I'll need to do is run it. Oh yeah, and also since we have the IP address, we can just put that bad boy in right there. See, I have 2 IP address, so we use this one. You'll need this for later. And then we got the label, and then we just need a priv key, and then as well as the masternode configure line. So you actually get the masternode configure line from your main wallet on your desktop. So right here. So what you do is you go to Tools, Book Console, Masternode Output. So this is my first masternode. This is actually my second masternode. So I want to copy that right there and paste it in. Okay, perfect. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, so make sure you take out the semicolons, as well as the colon and the quotes, not semicolon, quotes. So you want to make it look like this. You'll need it later when you set up your masternode. All right, cool. So if you don't get this, it's probably because your coin has not matured yet. There was not enough confirmation. So you can actually do this at the end of the step of setting up your VPS. So I will go over this step again once we get there. Then exit out, and then we're back on the server. Where is my server? Okay, here we go. Let's make that big. Okay. So what we want to do is pull up the instructions that was somewhere right here. Go to debug, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you already did that. We already did that. Get proof of transaction, blah, blah, blah. We did that. So now we need to, we need to update the Vsync configure file. So what you want to do is go here, and then scroll down right here, app data. Okay, and then go to Vsync. Here we go. Here's a Vsync file. And also you can make sure, okay guys, make sure you do this, but go to Tools, Debug, and Get Info. You're currently on 33092, and make sure it's the same thing on this one. So Get Info. Because I had an issue, so it's the same blocks. So I had an issue where the blocks were matching up and my masternode was just inactive and then went missing, and then all this problem, but that was one of the issues. So make sure that they're synced. So this one is synced, so we're good. And then what you want to do is you want to set up the vsync configure file. So oops, that's my wallet. Double click vsync configure. Okay, so I had all this node in just because you had to do this when you first started the wallet, so the wallet can sync properly. So what you want to do is we want to go back to the end. So you want to put all this in. So currently we do not know what the Masternode Priv Key is, but we'll find out in a bit. So what you want to do is first, from RPC user all the way down to max connections equals 256. Okay, guys, don't put this in yet, not until we have the Priv Key, and we'll get that in a bit. So let's see. All right, it's easier. Split the screen up, and then this right here. Okay, perfect. So we want to copy this over. RPC user equals, so a long random username. We belong. Let's just make it easy. We belong with Vsync, and then we have our RPC. If I can type password equals, what do we want this to be? Something really long. The fat lady will sing. Is that how the phrase goes? I have no idea. Wait, can we even have spaces? I don't want to know. But just like make up something really long. I'm going to just put down longer random password. Doesn't really matter to me. RPC allow IP equals 127.0.0.1. Listen equals 0. Server equals 1. Daemon equals 1. Log timestamps equals 1. Master, nope. Max connections equals 256. Oh, and something I forgot. Make sure your IP has this port 25010. So I didn't have that in my later use thing, so I'm gonna put that thing in right now. Here we go. 65010. Okay, perfect. All right, so save this. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. Double. All right, save. Exit out. Reopen. Let it sync up. Okay. All right, cool. It's syncing up. So a little bit longer. It says synchronization failed. Hold on 1 second. Let me see what's wrong. Okay, here we go. It's actually running. I'm not sure why the first time it did that, but what I did was I closed out the wallet and then I reopened it. So let's see where it takes us. All right, perfect. It's all synced up. So let's go to Tools, Debug Console. Make sure, never hurts to double check. 33101. Make sure that it's still in sync. And then let's see, or you can go down here. 33101. Perfect. All right, cool. So you can go down here too. That's the shortcut. I just like to get the info to see what else is there that I can look at. But we want to go to, oops, I shouldn't have exited that, but we need this to get the priv key. So what you want to do is, okay, so make sure you copy this. You don't need it. So go back to here, put it back in our section. So this is actually my Linux version that I use, but well, you guys can ignore all this. Just needed that gen key. I'm gonna put it in the other window. Let's close out. Oh wait, the one I copied was not correct. So what I need to do is delete this, and oh, this is the only bad part is you have to do it like this. So it might be, yeah, we need to put this. So to make sure like you don't have this, what you want to do is you want to, when you copy it from here, Yeah. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to open up your Chrome or whatever is on there. Chrome just happened to be here. And then just go to Gmail and then email it to yourself. Or you can get on Discord or Facebook, whatever you want to use to email to message yourself that the Priv key, and then just copy it onto this right here, which I already have done. So yeah, perfect. So now we have that. We can close out of this and also exit out of the wallet. So what we want to do is get back into the Vsync folder, app data, and Vsync. And then we want to go to vsync.config. And then what we want to do, I'll make that big. Now put that to the side. So we want to put the rest in now. So this is going to be Masternode equals 1, external IP equals find equals equals Masternode equals, and that's the priv key that we just got, the gen key that we got. And what we want to do is we want to pull this up on the side and then put the IP address there, 107.173.222.132 colon 65010. All right, copy this, paste. All right, cool. Save it. Oops, don't want to exit out. Save it, and then make sure it matches. All right, cool. Everything works. So go ahead and exit. Oh crap, I exited out the wrong one. Hold on. Sorry about that. Getting it back online. Where is it? All right, here we go. So we want to exit out of this one. That's what we want to do. I don't like, okay, cool. Didn't open up the big screen. All right, perfect. Now that that's done, so what we want to do next is actually go back on our desktop and pull up the wallet there. We want to edit the Masternode section. So here we go. Exit. Open up the config. So this one, I located it somewhere else. Give me 1 second. So if you had it as default, just put in app data again and you'll get there, right? But because I had it somewhere else, I just went straight to it, and then we want to go to Masternode. All right, cool. We open it up, and then what we want to do is a thing is called Masternode2, and we want to put the information that we jotted down earlier. Which one is it? Right here. So we want to copy this over. Copy this. Oh, nope, not that one. We want to copy the priv key over. Then we want to copy this over. Okay, perfect. So we have that. And next, what you want to do is Control save it and then exit out. Okay, now we've done that. So what we want to do is open up again. So, oh, also what you want to make sure is on your server, you want to make sure that your wallet is unlocked. So here we go. Go here. So what you want to do is you want to open this up, run, make sure it's unlocked. Okay, guys. Just wait. So because I never encrypt this wallet, it's already unlocked, so that's fine. It's perfect. That's what we need. And then see where our, okay, it's synchronizing, it's almost there. So as you can see, it's currently missing. So what you want to do is just, until it's synchronized, what you want to do is click start alias. Yes. Okay, successfully started, enabled. And congratulations, guys. Now you have your Masternode on wallet. So you can actually close this out, and then you'll receive reward for this wallet. So you actually don't need to keep this on, but the only thing you need to keep on is your server. Your server wallet needs to stay on. So you need to make sure this never closes. Okay? And that should be perfect. Make sure the blocks are synchronizing too. Synchronized. So gotta wait for this to sync. So I guess I rushed it. What you want to do is you want to wait for this to sync, and then you want to start this alias. So I'll wait until this wallet is synced, and then I'll start alias again. All right, 100%. Pull my other wallet. My cold wallet, I should say. All right, perfect. Both of them are synced. So click here, start alias. Nope, actually first check. Blocks are the same. 33109. 33109. All right, start it. Start alias, yes. All right. So yes, there is a -1 minute, -22 seconds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait that. I will come back in about 10 minutes and show you guys. And also, you guys don't need to keep this wallet on, so we can just close it. Oh yeah, guys. So also you can check if your Masternode has been online. There it is. Hey, there it is. Our Masternode. All right, we'll wait for the active time. I'll give it 40 minutes and see if it changes. All right, guys. Looks like 9 minutes, so it's working. It looks like it's working. There shouldn't be any issues. So we have our Masternode running, and hopefully we should be seeing some rewards soon.